Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the daily quest about the catch one European fire insect, or it also known as European fire bug. So to complete this quest, just catch the European fire bug. The insect looks like this one, and then you can just find it near your home, and you can catch it on all conditions or all weather like this, at the sunny, rainy, or rainbow. So just let's catch one firebug insect. Usually it can be caught near your house. Just walk around your house and then just catch the insect. This one, like this. And then once you catch it, the daily quest will be complete automatically like this. It's already complete like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.